Sweet. Nice.
Look dead at me. You can see my face.
This place is mint it. And we'll get there. Oft, aye. Bag half job. Going up, aye. Mint it, eh? Shaky ladder. No. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're exploring this abandoned ironworks. It's quite a big location, very industrial. I like it. Enjoy the video.
What you saying?
Don't know, you want to try and go over there, or you want to just go down and try and find another way? Straight, look to your left, man.
I know there's a beam here, but it's like one of...
Aye, it's right there, man. I just wanted a picture in the room that's got light, man, eh? But if we can't get there, we can't get there. Let's head down, man.
No, unless you like scramble over to that wall and you look through that wall.
I'm alright.
Aye, we do, like... You just take to go down and... You know, along there.
It's a bit dodgier going down, like. Can't really see what you're doing. Oh, that works. Bird shit all about them.
You're only about 8 foot up, you can grab.
I about fell there, man.
I grab like the back of the...
Aye, that's what I'm doing, but I about missed that one.
About 5 metre runs when you're doing.
That is.
Never seen that before. What are you doing for life? See the next one come in. I know, look at that. That's been cheap before. It should be a rocket.
Some structure, like. Oh, look. East. East chimney.
Flip it.
Worth it just for this place, man. This one building.
I'm happy with it already.
Is it? You want to take a photo of me, Danny? Feel like doing in that corner, standing up here. Cheers.
I've got an order for them so you can see what you like.
Thanks, man. Appreciate that. That's somebody's bairn. Somebody with their bairn. I think it's probably just somebody here taking photos and that, eh? Shh. Fuck.
Does that not look like a crocodile up there eating a couple of legs? Angling.
Alright.
I know. Quite a short-lived crocodile though.
Jing, that's just another explorer. Jing is a fucking scary garden.
Unless he's got a bear, so he's not going to catch us. This is a crab. This whole bit's dodgy.
Okay.
This is a safe one. IRONWORKS. I'll show you the rest.
Is it dodgy like?
You have to be on me. Yeah, dogs and all the go.
Let me just get a quick picture and I'll come back to that.
Aye.
Square it, see.
These are ferns going out.
There you go, bro. It's safe, aye.
Aye, there's a wall right under this one.
Oft.
Oh, that's.
What did you mean?
What did you mean? I was a fight you went up there.
I think I'll just walk back round the way.
So we can go through that.
Eh? I'll just walk round. Is there a rat up there or something? I just seen something up there moving.
They like to set up some patterns and that.
It was up there, aye. It went from right to left.
I seen something move too, like.
Rather than watering.
There, it's a mouse.
It's a rat.
Is that a rat? It looks smaller.
No, it's a mouse here.
Aye, aye. Right at the door.
The fresh wood at the bottom.
That's about it now. Pipes and doors and that in here, man. You see them, aye? How the hell did you get up there, Danny? Eh?
There's a ladder right here to get me down.
I should have went that way, man. Eh? Is it easier?
I go under it.
Jacket's going to be getting ripped. Sketch as fuck. This is sketch like. You going in? Ah.
Well, if we come back out this way, I'm going up that ladder.
Aye, we definitely need to go down there, like.
Aye, I wanted to get to the roof, man, like.
Alright, aye.
It's doable, like. Did you go in it?
I don't know, man, eh?
That floor's solid.
Down the bottom and round.
That
Just
floor's
hold on to the steel.
I'm just going to make sure. Just watch this because it's slidey.
Pass that bag into me when I get in, Lee. Please.
ladder's terrifying up there.
You're going up now?
I'll go off it, but it's not, isn't it? It's a problem. Because you've got to go over.
Cheers. Oh, I think it's a dead end, like, but we'll see.
Can't see fucking. Watch. Above your head now, Chris.
There's blocks and that, this is right above me. It does go on, no, it's a bit even just right there. They go much further.
I want to get a photo of that light thing.
Look up there.
I see it, man. Oh!
So no go.
No, you can't get past. You see, yeah, you can see the arch and the cave and that right there that fills it.
This is sweaty work, like.
I don't know. That can't just be it. I'm going to that roof then. Are you coming?
No?
I'll go climb up this ladder.
I'm gonna wait and see if Lee does this.
You can come behind me and I'll get out.
How'd you get to the roof on the other side, like?
Through the door.
Is it just through the door and you're on the roof?
I'm pretty certain I'm going to double check.
Aye. Wait a minute. How come?
He's opened the door, he's on the roof.
Fuck me.
Are you doing it?
Aye.
Oh fuck, I'm going down. There is a metal beam the whole way along there.
Right in the middle, aye.
You can see it through where you are.
I can't see it from here, like. I seen it when I was jumping in. I'm gonna leave my bag in that.
That's why I was looking through the floor.
Right here, eh?
Right at the crease where the beams join.
This is fear, mate.
I don't even like being on the roof.
Am I on the beam, aye?
Aye. Aye, 100%.
Just when you watch this bit, as you're going over the tank, but you can see it's not that deep. Stand on that bit wooden and that bit metal and hold on to that.
Whew. Is the roof safe though?
There's a big brick on it, man, but
Careful, man. Feel alright?
It's probably as concrete. No coming, Danny. This is concrete.
Me and Lee up here on the roof. He's still there, aye?
There's another kid though, there's a burn on a school.
Well, wave to him. He's taking pictures of the building. You want a double one?
Ah, you get it?
Stay there. That wee boy's about to run at the Danny. He's like, what the fuck? We don't know, man. Yeah?
But we wanted to go up there. Climb up there. We'll get climbing up it so we can get a photo of you. They're all looking at us now, bro.
Ah, no, I've seen that. They're just doing what we're doing. If you're not already, guys, subscribe to the channel. Get more of this kind of stuff.
Shout out to the big nail, Liam Dolan. There must be an easier way in there. That's up.
Up where?
You look tiny down there, mate.
What you thinking, Lee? That's a good explorer?
Banging explorer.
Hell yeah, mate. Danny's getting the camp chair out. Oh shit, I wasn't even recording. It's recording now. I was recording most of that up there, aye, but...
No, the walk back.
Aye, aye. It's all good.
Oh, I'll
Yeah.
wait if you want to go back.
No, really, like... Ah! Hawthorns, man.
Oh, mate, you fucking dreadful fuck, man.
The things we f***ing go through, man.
Oh, my hat. I'll get you. Fuck, man.
You're alright.
There you go. Fitness there.
Ah! Pure caught, man. I'm fucking caught. Where's Danny going now?
Where are you going?
This is pretty hefty, Lee.
This is nifty, dude.
My bag's pure f***ed in that.
My jacket, I think, like.
I meant to Jake grab his bag off me once I got up a bit. Or just keep going. Dirty.
Let's try to get myself back. Oh yeah, what the
Aye, it's the straps came off.
ah!
Eh? Mate, this was a train track. I think. What's that? Looks very much like a train track.
Sorry, get your up here now. There's no way we're going through that without him doing that. He's up here ripping my favorite. Climb over what big hole? There's water, aye.
Chill out, man. You're fine.
You're alright.
Terrifying.
You're alright, Danny.
Oh, look at that. Aye, it was brutal, mate.
I think you got the best bit yet.
Children. Oh, if this is minted. Some kind of shoot in it. Sign stamped on it.
Look at the E-frame. Don't
Don't know, but that bit we climbed up, it looked like it was a train track.
Part of our train track, that bar bit anyway.
Aye.
Where are you going? Let's see what's come up.
I read online that this place got turned into a nightclub. Unless that was something totally different. Your f***ing lace is coming at me.
Again, man! I'm going to punch this person!
Wonder if I could get up there. Checking it out, aye. Wow. Just try and go into that big building. Over there.
See it? I think that's it there.
It'll be funny you know what to go when you get there.
What?
It'll be funny you know what to eat when you get in. Fucking corns in my fucking popcorn.
What is this thing?
That's solid.
Safety jump?
Aye. Danny, see if you look through the camera, can you see Lee up there?
Eh?
Can you see Lee up there?
I look at the back end.
Aye.
No, you can see your hand. Now you can see Lee.
Right, okay. We'll put it up a wee bit then.
Then he's fucking thing. Perfect.
Can you still see my hands though?
Aye. I'm moving in there.
That no the way not.
No, that's fucking bog.
Aye, aye.
There's no fucking bog. Have you been in that one?
No. We've only been on this bit over here, Danny.
Oh no!
What? Is it flashing red? Aye.
Aye.
Aye. Look at these stairs, man.
Oh. I like this one.
I know, I'm glad we came here. Turn your torch on. Mentally.
This gives me a power plant right the stairs.
Aye. Big holes, aye. This bit's pretty cool, like. Aye.
I got a picture standing in the middle of it.
What is it like?
It goes underground. Is it flooded? It looks wet.
It is. The other one is tight.
Where are you going?
This way, I guess.
On an adventure!
That's what I was about to say. Can you get in that?
Right, I could.
Is it tall? Like?
Aye.
How tall is tall? I kinda want to go in here. This looks pretty cool.
Only about 10 feet. Hey, take that.
That looks easy. Well, I say that and then I'll f***ing die. I might need somebody to take my bag though. Cheers.
my way back up. I'm going up that tree, man. Yeah.
What stairs missing?
Aye, we can still get up it.
Oh, there's a rock, mate. What? Are you kidding me?
Oh aye, that well hang, aye.
Abseiled, didn't it?
I'm alright, thanks. Heavy flooding water going into it. Heavy. You're a river.
I'm hoping it's going to veer off to the right at some point. We're pretty much in line with the start of them. They're more like over here though, I thought.
Might be behind the trees and stuff, you know. They're a deer trail or something.
I think I can maybe see them. There's still another building we can hit on the way out, I think, that we didn't do yet.
Aye, there was.
I thought I seen one too. Careful, molehills.
Mountain, mate.
That'll be raging because I'm not getting it.
Aye.
Right, the absolute moon will get there.
There's a wee river here to jump over, a wee burn. Smell like a puddle like, but
Well, that'll be some friends, isn't it?
aye, it looks like it, mate.
There's more on the left.
Oh aye!
Oh, yeah.
Pretty cool, likes. I kind of where I'm going for a photo.
On top of that.
That rock pile, aye.
No, you're not.
Who isn't he?
I am.
Ugh. End up with a bit of rebar through me there, eh?
What, Dan? Come to the right.
Wait, it's just flashing red, eh?
Aye.
Mint it.
In the engine room.
Missed the foothold. Mate. What?
We're on a train.
I'm gonna see if I can get like a photo of us what's sitting in there. We're just like.
Oh right, aye, I can what you mean, aye. Fuck.
Like that, wait there.
That box in the middle.
What?
Could you not just put
You
on?
getting a photo?
Ah, my bag! It's taking me down! This is sketchy as f.
The lot.
Oh, mint it.
This one's a bit better. Right, bud.
How's it going? Oh, sorry, man.
Place forward and reverse lever. Neutral before using brake.
Eh? No way, man. Does that go in, aye? What? That's wild.
I don't know if I can get out though.
Aye, that's the thing.
I think I could. If I could get in, I could get out.
Well, we could help you out. Make sure you can touch the
Oh,
ground.
the bricks.
Aye, aye.
I could turn them round. If I've got tape.
Bye, Danny. I wish the.
Get a photo of the engine.
Okay, guys, we're inside one of the carriages of the train. I'm guessing there'd been oil or something in here. As you can hear, there's quite an echo. There's Danny. Came in through that hole there. Oh, there's a hand. Come back.
What's happening, boys?
Wild.
He's a lightly. You gave me it.
What'd you do with your Sunday? Climb some f***ing trains, eh?
Into the other end. You nearly went through.
Had to switch to my phone, guys. The GoPro died. I need to get some extra batteries. Hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. It's been a good explore. It's got a crane on it. That's pretty cool, like. Danny's already up there. Thanks for watching the video, guys. We've just finished exploring the abandoned ironworks and the abandoned trains. Pretty cool explore. Take it easy.